Okay, the other ones that were missed the most were transformation or finding HK. So for the square root formula is f of x equals plus or minus a square root of x minus h plus k. Then if it's negative, it reflects across the x. If a is greater than 1, like it's times 2 or times 3, then it's a stretch because it's making the number larger. If a is between 0 and 1, like a half or a fourth, then if I multiply by a half, it makes the number smaller. So that's a compress. If this whole thing is negative, it moves right. If this whole thing is positive, it moves left. And then K moves it up and down. All right. So on the question on the test, it just asked for the equation. So you'd have to figure out from what HK is, what the equation is. So on this one, our equation, our HK is 3, 4. So 3, 4 is HK. From there, we can write the equation as long as we know what A is. So if A is 1, we should be able to write this equation. So y equals 1 square root of x minus 3 plus 4. We can see our transformations pretty easily. They go right 3, up 4. You should be able to see that here too. Right 3, up 4. So our transformations are right 3, up 4. Okay, you don't really even need all of that to answer that question, but I thought I'd go over it. So there's the next question. Just which one is the equation? So all you need to know is HK. Once you know HK, you should be able to plug it into the equation.